discuss vegetative propagation. You all are familiar with the term vegetative propagation, right? Vegetative propagation is nothing but a kind of asexual reproduction in plants, and the structures are called as vegetative propagules. Okay, we are focusing on types of vegetative propagation, right? One says your natural method and second says your artificial method. So first, if we are talking about natural method, then naturally by means of root, stem and leaf, right, vegetative propagation takes place in plant. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss your natural propagation by means of your root, stem and finally your leaves. Okay, so here number one is your natural method as I have written on board. सबसे पहले हमने बात करी है by means of roots. Then in class 11 we people have understood types of root system. पढ़ी थी हमने tape root system and adventitious root system. ये we people have understood in class 11. Okay. We also understood modification of roots. हमने modification of roots भी वहाँ पे पढ़े थे. So first if we are talking about your tape root system, तो आप सबको पता है seed में होता है embryo and embryo have a structure called as radicle and plumule. Radicle give rise to your root and plumule give rise to your shoot. This we very well know. ठीक है. Now if root is developing from your radicle, okay, that first root which is coming out is called as your primary root. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Primary root कहा जाता है. Okay, if this primary root is long lived, हमने ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा था, ये आपका primary root, right, and it gives rise to your secondary branch, your tertiary branch and so on, then sorry, this constitutes your tape root system. Okay, so first modification I have written of your tape root. Okay, जैसे कि your tape root branches, you can say that of your Dalbergia. This Dalbergia is known as sesame. आप सबको पता होगा सीसम क्या है, राइट? वी आर यूजिंग अ वुड ऑफ सीसम. ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस टेप रूट ब्रांचेस, राइट, देन दिस टेप रूट ब्रांचेस मे हैव adventitious buds, and from this adventitious bud there will be formation of new plant, and this kind of modification is seen in case of your Dalbergia, जिसको आप सीसम भी बोल सकते हो. Apart from this we are having your guava, poplar and your muraya. ठीक है. These are some example which I have written. Second comes your adventitious root. ये भी क्या है आपको पता है. One such modification for storage of food. ठीक है. We people have understood in class 11 that is our sweet potato. That is our sweet potato. So if we are talking about this adventitious root, right, then again these adventitious roots may have adventitious buds which upon favorable condition, मतलब which upon getting favorable condition forms your new plant, as in seen in case of our sweet potato, asparagus and dahlia. Okay, all these three example we people are familiar with. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया बच्चों जी आपका वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन बाय मींस ऑफ रूट. 2 you have to memorize tape root modification and adventitious root modification. Next we are talking about your stem. ठीक है. In this also we are going to understand your underground stem modification and your sub-aerial modification as well as aerial modification. So first we are going to start with your underground stem modification, and we are familiar with potato. Potato को कहा जाता है stem tuber. What is potato? I have written over here is your stem tuber. ठीक है. The underground stem स्टेम जो होता है वो अंडरग्राउंड होता है, राइट? उसकी जो टिप होती है, दैट टिप गेट्स स्वॉलन फॉर स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड, ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज आवर पोटैटो। ये क्या है? पोटैटो है। सो इफ आई वांट टू ड्रॉ ओवर हियर, तो मान लीजिए ये पोटैटो है, राइट, एंड दिस इज योर अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम। उसकी टिप जो होती है, इट विल बिकम स्वॉलन एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर। ये जो चीज है वो क्या है? पोटैटो है। ये है वो क्या है? पोटैटो है। एंड दिस since it is stem, उसके पास होता है nodes, internodes, yes or no? Yes. So if we are talking about this potato, then this potato have a bird. उसको आप eye भी बोल सकते हो, potato eye. From this potato eye, जहाँ पे adventitious bird present होते हैं, right? Upon getting suitable condition, germinates to form new plant. It produces your new plant. So one such example of stem tuber that we people are familiar with is your potato. One more which I have written over here is your artichoke. Am I clear? So these two examples you people have to memorize in case of your stem tuber. Next comes your bulbs. ठीक है? Now if we are talking about this bulbs, right? Then this bulbs आप सभी ने खाए हैं, right? That is you can say your garlic and onion. ये जो garlic and onion है वो क्या है? Modification of underground stem. जहाँ पे stem होता है discoid, it is highly reduced, okay? And ये जो bulbs होते हैं उसके अंदर present होता है bird. उसके अंदर क्या present होता है? Bird present होता है, and this bird is capable of producing new plant. ठीक है? So two such example you people have to memorize of your bulbs that are your garlic and onion. Okay, onion आप सभी ने देखी होगी, right? ऐसी कुछ होती है, okay, reduced stem, यहाँ पे कुछ white color का portion होता है, and this are your roots. So this is disc like stem. इसकी वजह से मैंने कौन सा टर्म यूज किया? discoid stem, जो reduce होती है. And this are your fleshy leaf, जो हम खाते हैं, ओके? उसके ऊपर एक ड्राई लेयर होता है ना, जो आप सब निकाल देते हो, वो भी एक लीफ है, लेकिन वो स्केली लीफ है, दैट इज योर स्केली लीफ. और जो हम खाते हैं वो है फ्लैशी लीव्स. वो क्या होता है? फ्लैशी लीव्स. और ये जो ओनियन है उसके अंदर यहाँ पे कहीं प्रेजेंट होता है बर्ड. क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? बर्ड. एंड फ्रॉम दिस बर्ड देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर न्यू प्लांट. तो ये सिंपल सी बात है, आई होप समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. तो बल्ब का एग्जाम्पल क्या होता है? गार्लिक एंड ओनियन. नेक्स्ट कम्स योर कोर्म. If we are talking about this comb, तो once again as I have written, it is underground stem modification. It is underground stem modification. ठीक है? आप सबने खाया होगा ये Amorphophilus. Another examples are your crocus, colocasia and your freesia. This all are our combs जो कि underground, condensed, right? It is unbranched. It is highly swollen, unbranched stem जिसको आप बोलते हो corm. Okay, once again that combs have your birds from which new plants are formed. Simple as that. तो ये हो गया आपका corm. Okay, if we are talking about this rhizomes, right? Then rhizomes if we are talking about, ये भी आप सबने खाया है, that is your turmeric as well as your ginger. ठीक है? Turmeric as well as your ginger. If we are talking about your banana, this banana also propagates by means of your rhizome. Rhizome क्या है? Rhizome is nothing but underground horizontal stem जो कि branched होता है. कैसा होता है वो? Branched होता है. Okay, so again by means of this rhizomes there will be propagation of your plant. Simple as that. Next comes your suckers. As seen in case of your chrysanthemum and mint. Mint is our pudina. ठीक है. Suckers are nothing but your horizontal stem. वो क्या होता है? Horizontal stem. देखो, if I want to draw over here, चलो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर दे. ये आपका सॉइल है, राइट, एंड दिस इज योर प्लांट. ये अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम है. दिस अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम, राइट, इट ग्रोज हॉरिजॉन्टली एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, राइट. इट इज ग्रोइंग हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड इट comes out, then it grows vertically and comes out of soil, right. तो ये जो चीज है इसको कहा जाता है सकर. इसको हम क्या बोले? सकर बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज सीन इन केस ऑफ योर मिंट एंड क्राइसेंथेमम. ओके, तो ये हो गया बेटा जी आपका अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम मॉडिफिकेशन. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर सब एरियल स्टेम मॉडिफिकेशन. अगेन यू पीपल आर फेमिलियर विथ, हमने अच्छे से पढ़ा है क्लास 11 में, दैट आर अवर रनर्स, right, that are our stolons and your offsets. So first, if we are talking about runners, what are runners? Runners are nothing but your horizontal stem which are above ground. ठीक है. वापस से एक बार मैंने क्या बोला? ये जो रनर्स होते हैं वो आपके हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम होते हैं. देखो, ये भी हॉरिजॉन्टल है, लेकिन दिस इज अंडरग्राउंड, वो ग्राउंड के अंदर है. Whereas if we are talking about your runners, चलो let us draw here. तो मान लीजिए ये आपका soil है and we are taking example of our lawn grass, right? We are taking example of our lawn grass. तो मान लीजिए ये आपका leaf है, right? This is your leaves of grass and this is your, can you see this? Yes, इसको जहां पे जगह मिली वहां पे it's going to develop adventitious roots as you can see over here, right, जो कि stem के पास होता है nodes. From these nodes there will be development of adventitious root. वापस एक बार क्या होता है adventitious root? Yes, the roots which are developed from region other than radicle, right, they are called as your adventitious root. तो देखो भाई यहाँ पे कहाँ से डेवलप हो रहा है? It develops from node. It develops from node. Okay, तो ये roots बना और ये leaves बन गए as you can see over here. So this is our runner. An example for the same I have written lawn grass. Once again, mint can also come in this class. And one more we are having, that is your centella. So these are your runners. Next comes your stolons. Stolons के एग्जाम्पल में आती है आपकी स्ट्रॉबेरीज. क्या आती है आपकी? स्ट्रॉबेरीज. ओके, what happens in your stolon? What happens in your stolon? देखो, so for example, if you are talking about your strawberry, right? तो ये ग्राउंड है once again as usual, right? अब देखो ये जो है ये ब्रांच है जो बेस पे है, lower most branch. This lower most branch first grows upward as you can see over here, then it grows downward as you can see over here. Once it comes in contact with moist soil, there will be development of adventitious root and यहाँ से produce होगा आपका new plant. Okay, तो ये जो चीज है as you can see over here, this is what I mean by stolon, right? So this is seen in case of your strawberry. This is seen in case of your strawberry. Simple as that. And last one, offset. You all people are familiar with, right? If the term offset comes, the first thing that should come in your mind is it is 1 internode long. Offsets fit कर लो ये. Offsets are 1 internode long. Okay, an example for the same is your acornia and pistia. Acornia को क्या बोला जाता है? It is called as your terror of Bengal or it is called as your water hyacinth. Okay, and if we are talking about this pistia, then pistia को कहा जाता है water lettuce. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? water, lettuce. ठीक है, so what you should memorize of your offset, they are 1 internode long. They are 1 internode long, in the sense what? At each node there will be presence of leaves and your adventitious roots. Simple as that. Okay, and yes, these are aquatic plants. ये जो है वो aquatic plants है. Okay, so ये हो गया आपका सब aerial stem modification. Now comes your aerial shoot modification as seen in case of your Opuntia and other cacti. Okay, when segments of Opuntia and other cacti falls on ground, upon getting suitable condition, favorable condition, they are responsible in formation of new plants. Simple as that. ठीक है, कोई भी सेगमेंट अगर जमीन पे गिरता है, उसको अप्रोप्रिएट कंडीशन मिलती है, then that particular segment is capable of producing new प्लांट. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका एरियल शूट मॉडिफिकेशन. पहला पढ़ा हमने रूट, देन दिस वी पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड इज ऑफ योर स्टेम, एंड नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर लीव्स. अच्छे से पता है लीव्स, राइट? एक लौता एग्जांपल आप सबने पढ़ा होगा, दैट इज आवर ब्रायोफाइलम. दैट इज अवर ब्रायोफाइलम. जो लीव्स होते हैं उसकी मार्जिन्स होती है, वहां पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं एडवेंटिशियस बोर्ड. Right, when that leaf fall down, this adventitious birds upon getting suitable condition produces new plant. Okay, तो ये हो गया vegetative propagation by means of leaf. जो adventitious bird, ये सबको पता है, example bryophyllum का. Apart from this we are having your kalanchi, we are having your adiantum, we are having your begonia. This all are examples, right, of leaf modifications, right? Next structure that comes is your bulbils. Okay, bulbils, right? One such example which is given in our textbook is of our agave. Bulbil of agave, ये diagram draw करा है. So exactly what is this bulbil? Bulbils are nothing but, as I have written over here, they are fleshy birds. बुलबिल्स जो है वो क्या होते हैं? फ्लैशी बर्ड्स होते हैं, एंड दिस बर्ड्स के लोकेशन बहुत स्पेसिफिक होते हैं. ओके, दिस बर्ड्स कैन ग्रो नियर, एज आई हैव रिटन, नियर फ्लावर, और इट कैन ग्रो एट लीफ एक्सिल, और इट कैन ग्रो अलोंग ट्यूबरस रूट. ओके, तो 3 लोकेशंस मैंने आपको बताया. नंबर 1 इज एक्सिल ऑफ लीफ, जो एंगल बनता है लीफ का स्टेम के साथ, उसको कहा जाता है एक्सिल. सेकेंड आई हैव रिटन ट्यूबरस रूट्स, जो रूट्स ट्यूबरस होते हैं वो, एंड थर्ड आई हैव रिटन नियर फ्लावर. ओके, तो ये 3 जगह पे देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्लैशी बर्ड्स. दिस फ्लैशी बर्ड इज कॉल्ड एज योर बुलबिल. Okay, an example for the same is your agave, pineapple, lily, oxalis, dioscorea and many more. Okay, यहाँ पे जो लिखे हैं वो तो आपको याद रखने ही है. Apart from this there are many examples जो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे mention नहीं करे. So this is your bulbils, and last comes your turions. Okay, again this turion is fleshy bird which develops in aquatic plant like Utricularia. Okay, again ये जो टूरियन है वो है क्या? वो फ्लैशी बॉडी है, but specifically it is present in aquatic plant. An example for the same is your Utricularia. ठीक है, so in this video we people have discussed your asexual reproduction in plants that occurs naturally. ठीक है, तो ये सारे के सारे यूनिट्स मैंने लिखे, ट्यूबर, बल्ब, कॉम्ब, राइजोम, सकर, रनर, स्टोलन, ऑफसेट्स. Okay, this all are called as vegetative propagule. Vegetative propagule. Okay, I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.